Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about some recent pharmaceutical news. First up, Cadila Healthcare has received approval from the US FDA for its generic version of the cancer drug, capecitabine tablets. This is great news for patients who rely on this drug as a treatment option. Next, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories has launched a generic version of the blood pressure drug, lisinopril, in the US market. This will make the drug more affordable and accessible for patients in need. On the other hand, Lupin has issued a voluntary recall of over 50,000 bottles of its hypertension drug, lisinopril tablets, in the US due to a labeling error. This is a reminder of the importance of ensuring accuracy in pharmaceutical labeling and manufacturing processes. In other news, Sun Pharmaceutical Industries has acquired the Canadian biotech firm, Novapharm Biotech, for $235 million in a bid to strengthen its presence in the global biologics market. This move is expected to expand Sun Pharma's research and development capabilities. Lastly, Cipla, one of India's leading pharmaceutical companies, is planning to invest $220 million in a new manufacturing plant in the state of Gujarat to expand its production capabilities. This is a significant investment in the industry and could potentially lead to more affordable drugs for patients. That's all for now on recent pharmaceutical news. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates in the future.